Hello, friends. Check out the top 10 new Amazon kitchen gadgets that you need to add to your collection. These innovative tools are designed to make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. From clever organizers to high-tech appliances, these gadgets will change the way you cook. Don't miss out. Watch now and see which ones you'll want in your kitchen. Thanks, so let's start the video.
Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with ease. It features a powerful convection fan that circulates hot air around your food, delivering crispy golden results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The 4-quart ceramic-coated basket is non-stick, PTFE, PFOA-free, and easy to clean. With a wide temperature range of 105 degrees to 400 degrees, you can cook everything from delicate dehydrated snacks to hearty roasted meats. The user-friendly control panel includes preset cooking programs, making it simple to achieve perfect results every time. The compact design fits comfortably on any countertop, while the dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleanup. Ideal for quick, healthy meals for the whole family.
Ninja Electric Grill. The Ninja AG301. Foodie 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that brings outdoor grilling convenience indoors. With 5 versatile cooking functions, grill, air crisp, roast, bake, and dehydrate, it allows you to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. The powerful 500-degree F cyclonic grilling technology ensures even cooking and perfect char-grilled marks on your food. The non-stick PTFE PFOA-free ceramic-coated grill grate offers easy cleanup and durability. The grill heats up quickly, making it ready to use in minutes. The integrated air fryer function lets you enjoy crispy fried foods with up to 75% less fat. The included cooking pot and crisper basket expand your cooking options, while the digital control panel simplifies operation. Ideal for grilling, frying, roasting, and more, all from the comfort of your kitchen.
CUCKOO CR0375W3 Cup Rice Cooker. The CUCKOO CR0375W MyCom Rice Cooker. Warmer is perfect for small households, offering a 3-cup uncooked capacity, yielding 6 cups of cooked rice. With advanced MyCom technology, it ensures precise cooking by automatically adjusting time and temperature. The non-stick inner pot provides easy cleaning and prevents rice from sticking. This compact rice cooker offers multiple cooking functions, including white rice, brown rice, and porridge. The Keep Warm function maintains optimal serving temperature until you're ready to eat. The user-friendly interface with a digital display makes it easy to select your desired settings. Its sleek, modern design complements any kitchen. Safety features include automatic shutoff and overheating protection, ensuring worry-free operation.
Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for effortless mixing. With 6 adjustable speeds, it allows you to control the consistency of your ingredients, from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping. The mixer includes traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks, making it perfect for a variety of recipes. The Quick Burst button provides extra power when needed, ensuring smooth results. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle offer comfort during extended mixing sessions. A snap-on storage case keeps attachments organized and easily accessible. The mixer's compact size makes it easy to store, while the beater ejector button allows for mess-free attachment removal. Ideal for both beginners and experienced bakers.
Pizzazz Oven. The Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven is designed for convenient and even cooking of pizzas and more. Its rotating tray ensures consistent heating on all sides, delivering perfectly cooked results every time. With a top and bottom heating element, it provides balanced cooking without the need for preheating. The adjustable temperature control allows you to customize heat settings for various foods. The 12-inch diameter cooking surface accommodates large pizzas, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup easy. This oven also features a built-in timer with an auto shutoff function for added safety. Its compact design saves countertop space and eliminates the need for a full-sized oven. Ideal for cooking pizzas, frozen snacks, and even baked goods.
Ice Maker. The U-Homey Countertop Ice Maker machine is a compact and efficient solution for on-demand ice. It produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it perfect for parties, gatherings, or daily use. The machine can create 9 ice cubes in just 8 minutes, ensuring a steady supply of ice whenever you need it. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to select between small and large ice cube sizes. The transparent window lets you monitor the ice-making process without opening the lid. It features a quiet and energy-efficient operation, making it ideal for home, office, or RV use. The ice basket and scoop are included for convenience, and the self-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly on any countertop.
Rachael Ray Cucina Non-Stick Cookware Pots. The Rachael Ray Cucina Non-Stick Cookware Pots and Pans set offers a blend of style and functionality for any kitchen. Crafted from durable aluminum, this 12-piece set ensures fast, even heating for perfect results every time. The non-stick interior provides effortless food release and easy cleanup. Shatter-resistant glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking without losing heat. Dual-riveted rubberized handles offer a comfortable and secure grip. Oven-safe up to 400 degree F, these pots and pans are perfect for versatile cooking. The earthy color palette adds a rustic touch, making them as stylish as they are practical. Safe for all stovetops except induction. This set includes essential pieces like saucepans, skillets, and a stock pot, making it ideal for everyday cooking needs.
OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is an essential tool for effortlessly washing and drying your greens. Featuring a patented pump mechanism, it allows for easy, one-handed operation. Simply press down to spin your salad dry. The non-slip base keeps the bowl steady on your countertop, even during vigorous spinning. A built-in brake button quickly stops the spinning when your salad is ready. The clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, while the basket can be used separately as a colander. The lid disassembles for easy cleaning, and all parts are dishwasher safe. Compact and efficient, this salad spinner makes preparing fresh, crisp salads a breeze. Ideal for washing and drying lettuce, herbs, and other leafy greens with minimal effort.
Slow Cooker, the Green Pan Elite, 8-in-1 programmable 6QT. Electric. Slow Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. With 8 cooking functions: slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, bake, roast, sous vide, and keep warm, it offers endless possibilities for your culinary creations. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families or batch cooking. Its Thermalon Volt ceramic nonstick coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. The programmable digital display allows precise time and temperature control for consistent results. The glass lid lets you monitor your cooking without releasing heat, while the removable inner pot is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This slow cooker combines modern technology with convenience, making it an essential tool for busy kitchens.
Presto, Zerwan 1784 23-quart induction compatible pressure canner. The Presto Zerwan 1784 23-quart induction compatible pressure canner is a must-have for home canning enthusiasts. This large-capacity canner is perfect for preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and more, holding up to 23 quarts. Designed for use on induction cooktops, it features a stainless steel-clad base that ensures fast, even heating. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction provides long-lasting durability and rust resistance. The easy-to-read pressure gauge allows precise control, ensuring safe and accurate canning. The air vent cover lock ensures that pressure is safely contained within the canner. The included canning rack and complete instruction guide make it easy for both beginners and experienced canners to get started. Its versatile design also allows it to double as a boiling water canner, making it an essential tool for any kitchen.